Yan, dito kami guys sa plaza. Kakain kami sa labas dahil Good Friday. Kain kami ng fish and chips. Yan. Malaking plaza tsaka sunny day. Oh, yan.
Stolen na kaman.
Yan, lakad kami. Mahangin at saka maganda ang weather today. 14 degrees yata, 17 sabi. O, tama naman, ang hangin. Medyo malamig din. Parang maganda lang pero malamig din. Aya. It seems like it's line up there.
Line up.
Diyos ko.
Line up.
Pemete, tanga tradition. No, if we cannot go in there, we can eat anything.
McDonald's, that's what I got fish.
Ang haba ng pila.
On the left.
Left here?
Right here where I am.
Okay. Punong-puno ang restaurant sa fish and chips. Yeah, we should.
Be prepared to wait up to 1 hour.
Oh boy. Nada guys, ang aming fish and chips. Ang daming tao. I don't know if it's line up there too.
Probably.
Oh, shawa.
Sulat makakita.
I know. Because today is Good Friday. So, yun lang ang gustong kainin ng mga tao, guys. Hindi kami nakapasok. Ngayon, iniisip namin kung anong kakainin namin. Di rin naman pwedeng magpa-reserve dahil ang daming tao. Pila-pila. Say hi, Dylan.
Ay, say hi, Dylan. Say hi, Dylan.
Nag-iisip kami kung anong kakainin namin. Ano dyan?
Ubing.
Oh, fries, McDonald's. Dahil walang fish and chips na hindi kami pumila, kaya McDonald's na lang kakainin namin. Kain tayo guys. Happy Easter. The kid is climbing. Yeah, the kid is climbing. Fish on a bun or filet o fish. Kain tayo. Mainit pa. Mas masarap. Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain guys ng aming dinner na sa McDonald's kami nag-dinner guys dahil Good Friday today at dumaan na rin kami dito sa City Hall ng Vaughan. So, i-flex ko sa inyo guys ang kanilang City Hall. Yan yung kanilang modern style na City Hall na mas modern pa kaysa sa City Hall sa downtown Toronto. So, ayan yung kanilang parking lot. Meron pa silang tennis court at meron din silang area na pwedeng maglaro ang mga bata at doon yung library. Ayan, yung building na yan. At ayan, ito ako ngayon guys.
A few moments later.
Today I'm gonna open my choc chocolate for Easter because
We didn't do the
we didn't do the Easter
egg hunt.
egg hunt.
So,
So
to open my
so I'm gonna open my
Easter.
Easter chocolate. It's go. Oh. Ting ting ting.
Hard to open.
Yep.
Oh, show them.
Uh-oh.
Show them the big chocolate.
Big chocolate. The next one is coming. Come to Papa. Yeah. Oh. Okay, that's a hard one.
So I have two. You didn't say you have two.
I have two.
Show them the egg like that first before you open. Show them what's the name.
Kinder.
Nothing inside.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Here's the second one. And time for my special thing. The bunny. But
Easter bunny.
Easter bunny.
There's something inside, no?
Well,
Show them the bunny.
he and you know what's inside?
What is it?
A Kinder egg.
Also,
Yeah, and small Kinder eggs. There's more.
show them how many.
1, 2, oh my, oh, 3,
Small one.
4, and we got a bar. I think this is a Kinder. What is this? Kinder chocolate.
Show them.
And I forgot to show you this. See? It's Kinder. And we got a Kinder bunny.
Oh, show them. That's also a chocolate, right? Wow, that's
Yeah.
cute. That's cute. So this is all what I got.
This is all what I got for my special Easter day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Yeah. Good job. Hi guys! So ipakita ko sa inyo guys itong ginawa ko na healthy salad. Ito yung aming dinner guys. So bali ito ay lettuce. Meron siyang lettuce, cucumber, at yung cherry tomatoes. Yan. Matatamis yung mga tomatoes na ganyan guys. At para dagdag sa mga yon, para maiba naman kagaya nung ginawa ko the other day. So linagyan ko siya ng corn at saka yung black beans. So bali yung black beans na gamit ko guys is yung nakalata, ganyan siya. Black beans. So ganyan ang itsura ng kanyang black beans. Ready na siya. At saka linagyan ko rin siya ng corn. Yan. Yung niblets, sabi. So ayan guys. So pinakita ko guys before ko siya haluin para makita nyo yung napakagandang kulay ng salad na ginawa ko guys. Ang sarap kainin nito, healthy pa. So yan lang guys. So sa dressing naman guys ng salad, depende kung anong gusto ng kakain. Kagaya ni Steve, minsan gustong gusto niya ito. Ito yung most of the time na ginagamit namin na dressing ng aming salad. Gusto ko rin yan kasi creamy siya. So, but minsan gusto niyang maiba, minsan pinipili din niya ito. Gusto niya ng maasim minsan. So, pag nagsawa siya dito, minsan Italian dressing ang ginagamit niya. So ito naman guys yung favorite ko sa ngayon. So nabili ko to sa Costco. Syempre Asian tayo guys. Gustong gusto ko yung lasa nito. Trinay ni Steve noon pero sabi niya hindi raw niya gusto, kaya ako na ang umuubos nito guys. Ako or si Kay. Si Kay naman meron din siyang dressing na gusto pero hindi ko alam kung saan niya linagay. So, ayan lang guys. Ito na guys, ihahalo ko na itong salad na ipinakita ko sa inyo at nang makakain na tayo guys. So, ayan lang for today's video guys. I hope na gustuhan ninyo itong aking simpleng video na isi-share ko sa inyo. At kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again on my next one. Thank you so much. Bye!